Today I am going to test Rain X Wipers on Honda CRV. These are silicone brand. Endura is older one, not new, but these are silicone, made with silicone, not the rubber. So let's unbox this one. Installation instructions. Okay quality. Remove protection cover before use. Oops, yep, it is smooth. I have the second one, 17 inches. Let's unbox this one as well. There you go, same thing. And that's it. This is Honda CRV, that's the original one, genuine one. Very nice design, look at these curves. And this is the one, Rain X one. The same size, 26 inches, and this is very simple. There's a button underneath here, just press it and push it down. Here you go, that's the mechanism. Just press it upward and pull it down. Let's install this one. There's the three types. One for J-hook, pin and pin. This is actually looks like a J-hook and it's very straightforward, right? We don't need these one. It came with one for the pin, goes inside, and this is a pin as well, but this is a small one. So I believe we will just push it in and this lock mechanism will lock it out. Yes, I think so. Let's go, and you will see here, that's the mechanism. There you go, all the way. Now it's tight and fit. Look at that. That's it. It looks a little bit ugly on the from top, but it's like same. It was like this. Wow, a little bit wobbling. And let's install the other one. And is there any wobbling? Oh yeah, both of them. All right, so just push it down, I mean up the hook, and here you go. And this same way. There you go, all the way. You have to push it too hard to bring it all the way up. There you go. So I will test them, how it's gonna clean. I was getting some lines over here. I buffed the screen, but it didn't help. So let's see. I'm testing the new wipers. Wow, no squeezing and super clean and clear cleaning. Look at that. Look at that.